वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ कि आपको शिजू क्यों लेना चाहिए, क्यों अडॉप्ट करना चाहिए। इफ़ यू आर ट्राइंग टू अडॉप्ट अ dog and if you want a dog and if your kids and family needs a dog, so I'll give you 5 reasons and I'll give you 5 reasons not to adopt Shih Tzu. So the first one is, he's my baby. Shimba, Shimba, say hello to your viewers. Simba. Okay, so he's busy in his treat right now. So I'll give you 5 reasons. First, good reasons to adopt a Shih Tzu. First reason is they are very loving and they are very possessive. They get very possessive for their owners or their pet parents. First reason is this: if you want a loving, very loving and partner who can cuddle with you in bed and miss you when you go out of the house and so much interested in you. हम लोग कहीं भी ड्राइंग रूम में बैठे होते हैं तो ये आके हमारे पास बैठ जाता है. He wants to be the part of every conversation in our family. So first reason is this. And another good reason is why you should adopt a Shih Tzu is they are really pretty and beautiful. They have amazing coat. It's very soft. You can see my baby. So he's very soft and he's really beautiful. And the third reason is why you should adopt a Shih Tzu. They are very alert. एक बार मेरे घर पे क्या हुआ था कि हमारी जो कुक दीदी थी उन्होंने गैस खुला हुआ छोड़ दिया था, लेकिन he started barking to me and I was thinking, why is he barking suddenly? He doesn't bark usually. So he started barking and he took me to the kitchen and then I saw the gas was open. So they are very alert and this is a myth that people say that they are not so smart. They are Shih Tzu is a toy breed. So that's a myth, I think, and I think you should take Shih Tzu if you want. So I'm giving you good reasons. So third reason is this, and fourth reason is you can travel anywhere with Shih Tzu. They like road trips. He really loves to be in car and he really likes long drives and they are very small. जो male होता है Shih Tzu, that one is around 7 or 6 kgs and females are more light. They are around 4 to 5 or 6 kgs. So they can hide themselves in any place at home and they don't take much place in your house and it's very good to be with them on the bed. They like to sit on the bed with you and they like to sit on the sofa, and this is a good reason. They don't take much space. They don't bark for no reason. So if a stranger is coming to your house, they will bark. They can growl also. They get aggressive if they get any bad vibe. So they are alert. They are very smart. You cannot think that Shih Tzus are not smart and they are a toy breed. So these are the 5 good reasons. क्या हुआ Shimba? Handshake, handshake, handshake. Good boy, Shimba. Good boy. And now I give you 5 reasons. First thing is, they are very tough to maintain. You can see his coat. इसको अगर रोज कंघा नहीं करेंगे तो इसके हेयर टैंगल्ड हो जाते हैं. तो इनको मेंटेन करना थोड़ा सा एक्सपेंसिव होता है, थोड़ा सा मुश्किल होता है. ये वेजिटेरियन डाइट पे अगर ज़्यादा रहते हैं तो इनको बहुत सारे न्यूट्रिशन की कमी हो सकती है एंड इनको अगर आप रोज़ कॉम नहीं करें तो इनके बाल एकदम उलझ जाते हैं. उसकी वजह से इनको बार बार हेयर कट भी कराना पड़ता है. फॉर if they want something, if they want to go somewhere, if they want anything in this world, they will get it. They will force you to get it for them. So the second thing is they are very stubborn. They are like kids only. And the third reason you should not adopt a Shih Tzu because दे आर वेरी वेरी सेंसिटिव टू द एटमॉस्फेयर. अगर आपके घर में गर्मी है, अगर आपके घर में फैन चल रहा है और जून चल रहा है, जुलाई चल रहा है, समर्स चल रहे हैं और धूप है, और तो दे कैन नॉट हैंडल हीट. इसका पेट खराब हो जाता है जब भी गर्मियाँ होती हैं. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम ही इज हैविंग स्टमक इन्फेक्शन. सो दे आर वेरी सेंसिटिव टुवर्ड्स हॉट वेदर. That's why if you don't want, you should not adopt a Shih Tzu. Fourth, so the fifth reason is very important, last but not the least, that they cannot live alone. They are like babies only. The way you cannot leave your baby alone at home without anyone, the same way Shih Tzus cannot live alone at home. या तो आप उनको पेयर में ले लीजिए, या फिर आपको कोई ना कोई ऐसा चाहिए जो पूरे टाइम आपके पेट के साथ घर पे ही रहे. दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दे कैन नॉट लिव अलोन. दे गेट वेरी इमोशनल. देयर हार्ट स्टार्ट्स बीटिंग फास्टर इफ यू लीव देम अलोन, ऑल अलोन एट होम. सो दीज आर द रीजन. एंड